Welcome to New Tech Made Easy, and thank you for joining us for today's video on streamlining code debugging with ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide to finding, validating, and fixing errors. Have you ever spent hours trying to track down a bug in your code, only to end up frustrated and overwhelmed? Well, fear not, because ChatGPT is here to revolutionize your debugging process. With this powerful tool, you can easily identify and fix errors in your code, saving you time and headaches. So, let's dive in and learn how to streamline your code debugging process with ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT for code debugging. Now that you understand what ChatGPT is, let's explore how you can use it to streamline your code debugging process. To begin, you can use ChatGPT to find potential errors in your code. Simply type in a prompt such as debugging tips for Python code, and ChatGPT will generate suggestions for common errors and how to fix them. Open the OpenAI website. Type in a prompt such as how to debug a Python script, and see what ChatGPT has to offer. The generated response can provide you with tips on how to validate your code, locate errors, and fix them. Let's try 4 more examples to see how ChatGPT can help you with code debugging. Type in the prompt how to find and fix syntax errors in Java code. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on how to identify common syntax errors in Java code and fix them. Type in the prompt debugging techniques for C++ code. ChatGPT can generate suggestions on how to debug complex C++ code and identify the root causes of errors. Type in the prompt debugging best practices for JavaScript code. With ChatGPT, you can learn best practices for debugging JavaScript code and how to avoid common errors. Type in the prompt how to debug a Django web application. ChatGPT can provide insights on how to debug and optimize Django web applications to enhance their performance and fix errors. As you can see, ChatGPT is a valuable tool for code debugging that can provide you with suggestions and ideas to streamline your workflow and fix errors more efficiently. Tips for writing with ChatGPT. Now that you know how to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality writing, let's explore some tips for using this powerful tool to streamline your code debugging process. Tip 1. Refine your prompts. The quality of your code debugging process is only as good as the prompt you provide. To get the most out of ChatGPT, be sure to refine your prompts and make them as specific as possible. For example, instead of typing "debug my code," try something more specific like how to find and fix errors in a Python script. Tip 2. Validate and verify. Use ChatGPT to validate and verify your code by asking it specific questions like, does this code execute as intended? Or what are some possible bugs in this code? Tip 3. Add your own insights. While ChatGPT can generate helpful suggestions for debugging code, it's important to remember that your final work should incorporate your own insights and knowledge. Use the generated text as a starting point, but be sure to add your own expertise to create a comprehensive guide for finding, validating, and fixing errors in your code. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. And, as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching!